I'ma show you what the girls like. I'm gonna rock, but yo, you can't see the market and be the shady. I'm gonna turn to the mic with the iron hand on my land. This is it now. This is it now. I'm gonna show you what thunder is now.
Yeah, cause I'm coming in, sliding in, couldn't give a fuck cause you see my cheeky grin, coming like a ninja. This is 𝐿𝐴𝐺𝐸, hope you've been ya, last year bruzzy. Yeah, cause I'm coming up and I'm singing out, everything you hear on the mic is real shit now. I hope you get it, and I hope you push this shit out, cause we deserve every record on the fucking planet now.
Sa tagal mo na tol, parang makakinggan lahat o yung mga sinasabi, bitawang liriko, bitawang kong mga liriko, sinasabi o nga sa inyo, di nyo kaya to, di mong level to, di nyo maaabot yung mga tinapakan ko. Ibang rurok to, ibang tutok to, ng tagumpay na. Ninanais nyo? Ninanais nyo? Ninanais nyo?
Coming up.
Tapos tunan na idaanan yung mga pinagtapakan nyo ngayon, sinasabi yung ganito na kayo. Oh Diyos ko naman, ewan ko ba kung bakit ganyan yung mga naiisip ng bitawang mga salita na walang katotohanan na pero pag doon tayo sa realidad, mapunta na tayo doon. O sige, pang mga laki, ano ba ipapakita mo sa akin?
Yeah, time in the mood, cause I know you're in the groove. Yeah, cause it's Filipinos in the house speaking to Tagalog straight out. Yeah, collaboration with Australia, you can't even see me on the camera, and that's fucking failure. But you'll know this and you'll remember it. Red horse in the house, couldn't give a fuck horse. Yeah, cause I'm awesome and I'm first place. This is Moses, call him kamikaze next time you see him. Hope this isn't the last time. Straight up talent, couldn't give a fuck. Yeah, cause I'm coming back. Hear me rough, I'm coming back. Hear me rough.
Elimination, self-talk lang na tara na kasi naubusin na dapat yun na naubos na ubusin yung mga babalik na ako yung mga injecta West Philippines dapat pang bumbay na yan, dapat pang ubusin yung mga gagawin, pang ubusin, pang bumbahin gamitan ng nuclear bomb para tapusin na kasi yung problema padalala ko yung pagkala na mawala na ako sa verse ng crystal na beat na ginamit na kasi
3 minutes